welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look for you, so that way you can get ready for Valentine's Day if you don't have any ideas on how to get ready or what to do with your makeup. So we're going to be doing that today. I will be using this 35XO palette from Morphe. I did do a haul on this, and I haven't, well, I've used it. I don't think I've used it to do a look for you guys. So we'll be using this today just to do kind of like a soft Valentine's look, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I've already prepped my eyes. I have my handy dandy tape on to kind of keep it in line. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair, so I just have it out, but I'll tell you a trick. So when I have my hair like this, I'll have my hair down, I'll do my makeup. If my eyeliner does not look as even as I want it to, what I usually do is put my hair up in a high bun, because then that kind of pulls up, this, and it kind of makes it match a little bit. So that's kind of my trick to kind of take away from when my eyeliner is looking a little bit lopsided. All right, so let me go ahead and get started. So the color I want to use, and I will be cutting my crease today, is I'm going to be using this one. It's called Talk Feelings, and I think I'm going to be using either Body Language or You Up. So of course I'm going to need to swatch for the look, because I don't know what I want to. I guess it doesn't matter because I can't even tell which one is which here. Okay, so that's Body Language. Try it again. That's Body Language right there. And then that's You Up next to it. So I think I'm going to use Body Language and then Talk Feelings. Okay, so we're going to first take in our crease the Talk Feelings. And then you can, once you pat it in, you can blend it out. You just want to make sure you build up the color. So I like to pack the color on and then blend it out. And this should be kind of a soft look today, because I'm using, like, these colors are softer. And this should also be kind of, I think this look will end up being like work friendly as well. So now we're going to, I need to do my cut crease. I'm going to use this NYX cut crease. I'm going to go off camera and do my cut crease because it takes me a while, and then I will come right back. Okay, I'm back. I've cut my crease. I do want to go ahead and kind of darken up the color that I have up here. So I'm just going to, taking this brush, I did put some color on it, and I'm just going to, and I want this color to come all the way forward. So I cut my crease differently this time. I actually took it all the way down and forward. So just stay above the cut crease so that I don't get in, mix the color in there. Okay, because I want this color to be seen. So now I'm going to take Body Language and just pat that all over. And I am patting that all over wherever I had that, wherever I cut my crease. So even up here, I put it. Okay, and the color, the pink that I put, which is Talk Feelings, I didn't bring it all the way down here. I actually stopped it part way because I don't want that to come all the way down. Okay, I think I have that all over my lid. And there's a lighter color here. It's called Hair Flip. I think, no, I'm gonna take, let me try, yeah, Hair Flip, and just kind of see if that does anything to kind of lighten up. You gotta mix your own colors and come up with your own thing. So don't be afraid to try new things. Okay, so we have that there. Let's make sure that Talk Feelings does not go anywhere. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put a white liner. I'm gonna use a Fenty, and I want to separate the Talk Feelings and You Up. So I'm gonna kind of put the liner in between. I think my hand blocks it from, or blocks you from being able to see, so I'm gonna go ahead, do the liner, and then come back. Okay, so I have the eyeliner the way I want it. It took me longer than I wanted, but finally got it decent enough. So just basically put the white liner in between to separate Talk Feelings and Body Language. And now I think I'm just going to do my regular eyeliner. I'm not going to put any other colors on my lid. So I'm just going to do my regular eyeliner. I'm going to try to keep it as thin and close to my lash line as possible, because I think I do want to add, I don't know, you'll have to see, because it's all in my head, but we'll see. I'm going to do this liner. And yeah, okay, did that really thin. I need an even thinner brush because I want to see if I can get the pink kind of in here as well. So I'm gonna take Talk Feelings and I'm gonna put it kind of over top of the eyeliner. I'm just lightly brushing it. And I'm going to take it out to where even just past the tip. And I didn't take it all the way in. I just took it kind of to this point. There's another color in here. It's called Plus One. It's kind of similar to Talk Feelings, but it's a little bit deeper. I think I'm going to use that to try to deepen up Talk Feelings. Okay. And I think I'm going to do that in my crease as well, because I want those two colors to match. so +1, I'm actually just, I think what I'm gonna do is just put it like right here. As if I was doing like a halo, I'm only going to deepen up the center right there. Like that. This side doesn't look as deep. Okay. Now to make sure, I'm going to take the brush that I originally used to put Talk Feelings on and just kind of lightly, carefully try to make sure that those two blend together on both sides. I don't think I said at the beginning that this look is simple. I hope that I didn't, because this is not feeling simple at this point. But okay, so now I'm going to remove this tape and then just check to make sure the black eyeliner is lined up at the bottom. Okay. Now this eyeliner side, it looks like it was going through the tape, so it's not lined up and it's looking like a mess. Just taking a wipe and I'm just wiping up in the direction of the eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna make sure that that's filled in. And also once I do like my foundation concealer, that will be cleaned up as well. So I'm going to wait to finish my eyes off until after I do my face. So I'm gonna go off, I'm gonna do my face, and then I will be right back. Okay, I am back. So what I did was I did my face, I did put some Essence mascara on, I did my waterline with this NYX Jumbo pencil with, it is a color 604 Milk. And now I just need to do my lower lash line. So I'm actually going to be taking Talk Feelings because that's how I built up this color here. So whatever color I have in my crease and above my eyeliner, I'm gonna put below to connect. So we're gonna start with Talk Feelings. And we're bringing it all the way out. To connect with here, because we took this all the way out there. So I'm taking it all the way out. And then I'm gonna take +1 to deepen it up, since that's what I did in my crease. Okay, when I took +1, I actually only started it from like right here. Just gonna go into Talk Feelings to get to the inner corner. Okay. I'm taking the brush that I was using to blend out my crease that had Talk My Feelings on it, or Talk Feelings, yeah. Just to make sure. I like everything to be very well blended so that it's like not super harsh. Okay. All right. And now I'm going to, I brought out this palette. So if you watched my TJ Maxx Ross haul, this palette was in there. This is supposed to be a face palette, but I keep it in my blush area. No, I keep it in my highlighter area. And I want to try these highlighters. So I'm going to try this one. And I think this palette was $6.99. Like, look at the highlighter. Oh, wow. $6.99. And then let's put some up here. We're already doing the most with this look, so may as well take it all the way to Circus Town with it. Alright. I have blush on, but I'm kind of looking at this blush here. Just pat that on a little bit. Okay. And then let's do an inner. Should I do an inner corner? Why not? Let's do an inner corner. This was kind of bold and nice, so we'll take the same. Does it show up as well? Okay. And that's for the corner. Okay, so this is the look. Let me tell you what I used for my lips. I used the Color Pop, and this is the color Bumble. So the other day I used, I don't know if that video is going to be up before this one, probably not, but I also have the color Bumble in a lip gloss, or liquid lip, but this is the color Bumble in the lip liner, and I use this Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss in the color 11 for a night out. So it's the number 11 for a night out. And this is the look I came up with for like a Valentine's Day theme because it has pink. Let me know what you think down below. I will be doing more looks for Valentine's Day, so this will not be the only look. I will do some more looks. I'll try to do more of a simple look for the next one. But before you go, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.